I am new to Bigo. I don't know how to use Bigo. My name is Grace. Philippines. Yeah. Really? How to use this application? How to use? I'm 48. Yes. Oh wait. Oh, good morning. Yes. Good morning too. I just woke up and my routine when I woke up, brush my teeth, wash my face, and put my favorite skin products. Yeah, that's woman. Oh, thank you.